On the bottom feet of patio furniture, you will find a protective insert. These are known as glides. They keep deck furniture from scratching and damaging the deck floor when slid into place. Over time, these will crack, disintegrate, or even fall out. I'm going to show how to make homemade glides from a recycled cutting board. Clean out each foot of all debris. Then choose a hole saw that matches the same size as the foot. Secure the hole saw into a drill press. Saw a hole in the cutting board and then pry out the disc within the saw. Clean off the burrs, and now you have glides that will fit in the feet of the furniture. This is how you install them. Turn the furniture upside down to access the feet. Add 5-minute epoxy in each foot and mix well. Once the epoxy has been thoroughly mixed, secure the new glide into place. Repeat this process to all the feet and let the epoxy cure for at least an hour or two. Once cured, the furniture can now be used.